This majestic cottonwood tree is estimated to be more than 70 years old. It provides cooling shade during hot Midwestern summers, but it is also a symbol of pride and beauty in an historic neighborhood. Today, this tree is getting a haircut to help keep it safe and healthy.
You can preserve the life of the tree longer. You know, if you take care of it every few years, every 5 years is a good kind of time frame, I think.
Brown says our environment needs trees now more than ever to provide wildlife habitat, absorb stormwater runoff, and to provide clean air.
They collect a lot of carbon, you know, that helps with our greenhouse gases and our emissions. The bigger the tree, the more carbon it collects.
Brown acknowledges that tree coverage near a home can raise concerns with some insurance companies. That's why he says consulting a certified arborist can help prevent trouble and protect your home.
Pruning can achieve a lot, and I think if you get a qualified, certified arborist to do it, you can get a balance between what's good for the tree and what would make the insurance companies happy.
If you have trees on your property, remember these tips.
I call it a maintenance prune, so thinning and weight reduction where needed on heavy, long branches that could be kind of growing towards the light and they just need to be shortened a little bit. We just kind of have this innate desire to be around trees and green things. That's just a huge benefit of trees. You know, they make us happy.